Hello bosses, this is Siva. Today let me introduce you our new model. Tired of repelling birds and choosing bird repeller? Try this new silent bird repeller. Professional bird repellent light. With laser light source, greater bird repellent range. Noiseless solution. Birds stay away as the laser passes through trees, creating an invisible barrier. Easy to use, no need to learn. Plug and play. Bird repellent rate increased by 90%, 355 rotation, covering a radius of 800 meters area. Waterproof, laser light source, 30,000 hours long life, tested over many seasons, year after year. It effectively repels birds without hurting them and increases income. Wholesale high quality and low price. Request a quote now for a limited time discount.